Want to loop through the list, then we need to have some more features of iterator. So here we know how to get the iterator with the beginning node, and then we need to have a function which returns an iterator with the very last, past the last tail node. That is a end function. So let's implement the end function by copying this one and paste, change the name to end, and then end function, the position is a null PTR. So what it means is that suppose you are at the tail node here. So pos is pointing to the tail node. And then if you call next there, then you are passing the tail and then uh, stopping over here. So that is indicating position is a null pointer. So end is pointing to past the tail node. That's end. Then to do the looping through, we need to define equality between two iterators. So here, let's define Boolean function, say equals. Then if list iterator is provided, then let's say whether the current iterator and the provided iterators are the same or not. So using that, we are going to loop through the list, beginning with the very first header node. Iterator moves, and then if this iterator becomes whatever the end function returns, then we can stop iterating through that. So let's implement the equals function, bool list iterator equals, which takes list iterator, itr is provided, then return if position of the current iterator object is the same as position of the parameter, then that's the same iterator. So using that, we have end function which returns an iterator. So here list the end function, which is a iterator pointing past the tail, and then beginning is the very first node, and then we know how to compare two iterators. Then what we can do is as follows. So let's have a fresh new list test, and then using a loop, 0i is 10, and then let's push back I there, so 0 through 9 is pushed. Then let's get those values. So list iterator itr is a test begin. So we begin with the very first node, then while iterator equals m dot end. End function returns iterator, which is past the tail. So as long as they are not equal, we can move through there. So let's print the data. So itr get from current one, then itr next. Let's move to the next one, like cout ndl. So let's browse on the screen, cout. I need to include the IO stream library, then compile and run. So 0 through 9 is printed here using the looping mechanism.